Guys, you know how it rains all the time over here in Hawaii, Pahoa and everything? It hadn't rained in like 2 weeks. We haven't had any rain. I guess we're having our drought. I don't know. Let's check out this little boat. You see that little boat? He's little. Where's he at? Where you at, little boat? I can't see it on the camera. You probably can. Oh, there he is. I see his wake. Hey, little boat. That's too little for me. I don't go out there. No. No. So no swell action today. Scattered clouds. No rain for 2 weeks. Even the weeds are dying. Yeah, that's okay. They deserve to die anyway, the weak brain cells. Little boat's coming from Kalapana. Out there fishing in Kalapana. Heading toward Hilo boat ramp. It's like a 3 to 4 hour boat ride from Hilo to Kalapana and then back. That's crazy. They need to open up that Pohiki boat ramp again. That was washed out with the lava in 2018. Yeah. Alright guys, sunshine and scattered cloud, blue skies. East side of the big island, Hawaii. Have a good day. Later.